How you doing? It's Khoa here. In this video we're going to be reviewing the Joby GoPro Gorilla tripod. So check it out. I bought this last year, and basically I bought it along with my GoPro. So this is just a normal GoPro 7, and I wanted something that will easily attach on to certain certain objects when I'm filming. So I do a lot of filming outside. I go just do some random filming, and it's really hard, right? It's really hard to film certain angles and locations because you need to put your GoPro to attach something, and it's just really hard to do. So I came across the Joby Gorillapod. This is a really good tripod because the reason is because it's really sturdy, it's really strong, and basically what you can do is you can attach these to different sorts of objects outside and so forth, because when you're moving this you can actually move the legs and so forth. So it's really cool. I think I paid about $30 for this one, and it's really easy to detach. So if I could just do that, see, it's open like that, and then I can just take the GoPro off, and you can see that I don't know what this thing is called, but you can easily attach it to it's in focus, but you can easily attach it to the GoPro there. So it's pretty good. It's very easy, very sturdy, and I'm very happy with the purchase, because the reason why is it's really good because I think it's very durable. It's very lightweight. You can just attach it to all these different types of angles. So I think it's a really great tripod if you're just really looking to hold on to your GoPro and do lots of cool filming. So this is the first thing I'll go out and buy for my GoPro, is one of these things. These are really cool. I've used this already for over a year, and yeah, highly recommend it. It's really easy to use. There's not much more to say about it, but just go out there and buy it. It's really cool. Highly recommend the Joby Gorillapod. You can probably buy it for about $50, I believe, or might check it out on Amazon. You'll be able to find it, but go check it out. Really good tripod to add to your GoPro, and you'll be able to get a lot of great angles. You'll be able to film a lot of different shots and then put it all together and make a really great movie just by using this cool tripod. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.